In this lesson, we are going to stretch drawing objects. I have 3 bolts on screen, and I want to use the stretch command to lengthen or shorten each bolt. I start the stretch command, which is located on the Home tab in the Modify panel. You can also type S, then press Enter at your keyboard. Looking at the command line, it specifically tells us that we have to select objects by using a crossing window or crossing polygon. This is important because that actually determines what is stretched out. If, for example, I tried to use a window, it actually won't even stretch anything. It acts more like a move command. So I'm going to undo that and start the stretch command again. And this time I'm going to pick from the right to the left to create a crossing. Now with a crossing, anything that is crossed over will actually be stretched out. So the 2 horizontal object lines and the 2 horizontal hidden lines will be stretched. Everything inside the crossing frame will be moved. So the chamfered edge will just simply move along with it. After I've selected my objects, I'll press Enter to tell AutoCAD I'm done selecting. Then I will pick a base point. I'll pick the end of the bolt in this case. Now I can use polar tracking and direct distance entry to resize this. So let's say I want to make this 1/2 inch longer. I'll stretch to the right, 0.5, then Enter. And as you can see, I now have a 2.5 inch bolt. You can also use the stretch command to make something smaller. So this time I'll use the stretch, use the crossing, Enter, pick my base point, and this time I'm going to stretch in 0.5, then Enter. To summarize, when using the stretch command, you must use a crossing or a crossing polygon, and you simply specify your base point and use polar tracking or direct distance entry to lengthen or shorten the objects. That concludes this look at the stretch command in AutoCAD.